Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Q2. My name is Glitter Girl, and today we are going to be doing something really fun. But before I tell you what we are going to be doing, yes, you have to stay a little longer so you can find out. I need to tell you I haven't been posting for a week because I've been very busy this week. I don't know, it's just been the last week of homeschooling. It's been pretty crazy, so just to let you know, that's why I haven't been posting, but I'm hoping to post more this week, so to make up for all those videos that you guys couldn't watch. But I am going to do a video today, which is, I'll tell you in the next video, just kidding. The video is, I'm going to tell you some road trip snacks, tips and tricks, and stuff like that, because I am going on a road trip. It's not going to be, it's like going to be social distancing and all that stuff, but let's just get on to the video. But before we get started, please subscribe, thumbs up, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. But I don't just post videos like this, I also post fun videos like lifestyle videos and so much more. You should go check out my homepage and share this video when you are done with this one. So let's just get on to the video. Okay, so before I tell you some stuff, this does our road trip is only 3.5-4 hours, so not too long, but still pretty long, and you do get hungry in the car. So let me tell you some snacks. Oh, also stay till the end for my tips and tricks to keep busy in the car. Alright, so here are some snacks ideas. When you're on a road trip, you want non-perishable items. It matters how long the car ride is, but these are just snacks. Fish crackers, bananas. Bananas are a great fruit because they're easy to eat and they're not messy. Crackers, any type of chips. More healthy, they do sometimes sell these little mini packets of carrots that are really great. Or if you have a bigger family, then one of those big packs of carrots, throw it in there, you can just share it. Water bottle, very important. We do normally like 2 water bottles because there's a lot of us, but still, if it's a long road trip, you don't want to drink too much, otherwise, you know. Homemade sandwiches are great because they're easy and just a great snack for a longer road trip. If it's just you need snacks, then you don't really need a sandwich. If you're watching this and you're already on the road trip, then fast food, but normally you don't want to do that. People don't like this, but there's some cereals you can just put in a bag, like Cheerios and things, and those are just great snacks. There's so many others, but this video would be way too long, so you can go, maybe I can tell you a few more at the very end, but we need to get on to some tips and tricks. First of all, you want to pack lightly, and whatever you do pack, make sure you keep it nice and organized, so when you're in the car, you don't have to stop, go and find it, sit in your van, and keep the food at the front, so it's easy to grab it. Pack for the amount of people in your family. If you're a family of 12, don't pack for a family of 5. The road trip, you're not going on an airplane. Don't bring suitcases unless you're this is after COVID and you're going to Muskoka or something. Make sure you bring a charger that you can use, because that is a big thing in a road. If you get car sick, then I would recommend but sometimes when you're car sick, just wear just on electronics, and you can still color. So if you are one of those people, or you just like to color in general, just get one of those laptop things that you put on your lap. It's perfect for coloring in the car instead of bringing a book, which is kind of inefficient. A traveling pencil case, because I love to draw in the car, so I just have one and I can just grab it whenever we need to go on a book. You think you won't read, but if it's long enough, you will get bored, and you're going to get bored of your YouTube or whatever you're doing in the car, so a book is a great opportunity. Weird, but if this is really long road trip and you're somebody's driving and you have a lot of siblings, then you can bring Uno or some weird game or some card game, and you can still pretty much play. Those are some of my tips, but now I'm going to tell you how to not die of boredom in your car. This is another electronic charger, otherwise you will, unless you don't use your electronics in the car, if you get through 2 hours and you have another 10 hours to go, what are you going to do? Okay, now coloring books. They're so great. Sometimes they even have these travel books, which are really fun. That have like mazes and fun stuff. So anything like that will keep your mind busy, great. Or any of those kind of games, as I said before. Great thing is actually these National Geographics. I don't know why, but I find they're very, just very fun to go through, and you can read them over and over again, and they're still entertaining. Sometimes they even have like fun stuff in there. Goldfish, go grab some goldfish. They're great for stuff like this, if you didn't know. Don't bring slime or other junk like that. You think you're going to use it in the car, but you won't. Just keep things, electronics, coloring, books. That's good. And Matt, you talk a lot in the car if it's a big family that likes to talk a lot. So you think about it, if it's a 4-hour ride, you're probably going to talk for around half an hour of it. So, and then at the very last 10 minutes, you're so excited, the very first 10 minutes, you're fine, you're all stuff. So you pretty much have like almost 45 minutes where you'll be fine, so just, that's good. Talking is good. So many other stuff, but I can't fit this in these videos, but let me just give you guys a few extras for all of this. If you have a chance to take a stop and you have a table, oranges and apples are great. Here are some book recommendations if you love to read in the car. Land of Stories, Harry Potter, Thea Stilton or Geronimo Stilton, Whatever After series, Billy Clary, Ramona. There's so many different books in this series, but here's one of them. They also have you can see there's even an award. They're really good books to do on your electronics in the car. Sometimes your parents don't want you to use YouTube Kids or YouTube or things like that because that can take up a lot of data and that is money. So if you didn't know that, yeah. But if your parents are allowing you to do that, then that's great. Download movies on Disney Plus or Netflix. If you don't know what either of those are, you need to check them out. They're both so great. But most of us will know about Netflix, but some of us won't know about Disney Plus. It is a pretty new thing that came out where Disney put like all of their shows and movies into one big kabam. So you can download movies and shows on there. That way you don't need like Wi-Fi and stuff, which is also really great, so go check that out. Sometimes if you can do hotspots to your parents' phone, and you do have Wi-Fi while you're on a road trip, which sometimes you will not, but if you do, Minecraft and Roblox are pretty good, It is a great no Wi-Fi game. If those games are in the reviews, it says turn off your Wi-Fi and there'll be no ads. That means that you can play with no Wi-Fi. What to color. Fun thing to color or draw or whatever when you're when you're on a road trip is the scenery, because normally when you're on a road trip it's like in cool places and you can see some fun stuff, so try and recreate that stuff. Or if you have never been to the place where your destination is, maybe imagine it in your head and see what you think, and then once you get there, look at your picture and see if it's similar to what it actually was. A few extra things you can do in the car. Karaoke. Anything funny. Jokes, puns, and family talk. Ask your dad to give you some jokes. Sharing embarrassing, scary, and funny stories. If you have Wi-Fi, you can call your friends and show them everything out of the window and just have a little talk. That way you have some company and make up some time. Play Roblox, connect with friends, and have a great time because Roblox and Minecraft are both two of the best games you will ever play. Even though they do need Wi-Fi, just heads up. Well, Minecraft does not need Wi-Fi, I'm pretty sure, if you're not joining anyone. So if you don't have Wi-Fi, but you love those games, then Minecraft should be a good option. I'm pretty sure it's no Wi-Fi, but not 100% sure. Look at old photos on your iPad or phone or laptop, whatever you're using. Have a talk with your family, all the fun things you're going to do on this road trip. Make friendship bracelets or just bracelets in general. It's a really easy thing to do. Grab some string, bring it in the car, and you can braid away. Tip: before you go, make sure everything is 100% charged. Watches, any electronics you're going to bring, and I don't know, your Apple Pencil, whatever you're going to bring in the car, make sure it's all charged and ready to go. Be an early packer, not a late one. Drawing your dream house, dream car, or whatever you're interested in, your dream necklace, whatever, your dream anything. Your dream glasses, if you have glasses, I don't care. Anything that you dream of, your dream dog, whatever. And then draw that, paint that. Well, you can't really paint in the car, but like draw it, color it, if you want to, you can use there's some like drawing apps like Doodle Buddy and stuff like that. Just try and figure out that out on electronics, and that's a really fun thing to do, and it can take up a lot of time. And then maybe ask your siblings to do that in the cart, and you can show each other your different dreams and stuff like that. Have a nap. Some things you want to do when this pandemic is over, if you're doing this during the pandemic, or if you're not, just fun things you want to do in the future. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you didn't, well, maybe you'll enjoy some of my other videos, so go check those out on my homepage. Share this video, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss any more videos like this, or like any of my other videos, which you can check out on my homepage, as I said before. So, and also, if you like the videos that you see in my homepage, thumbs up and share those videos as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe and healthy. Bye!